line! I'm sorry, Moby, you stepped over the line. That's a foul. I'm marking this frame 0. Dear Nat and Moby, why is kinetic energy important? From Melissa. Well, energy lets us do everything from typing a letter to bowling. When an object has energy, it has the ability to cause change. Kinetic energy is one of the 2 main types of energy. It's the energy that an object has because of its motion. A bowling ball rolling down the lane has kinetic energy. Once it stops moving, it no longer has kinetic energy, but it could have potential energy. That's the other main form of energy, and it's stored within objects depending on their position. When I lift a bowling ball off the ground, it gains potential energy. The higher up I lift it, the more potential energy it has. When I release the ball, the potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. The amount of kinetic energy depends on 2 things. The object's mass, or the amount of stuff it's made of, usually measured in kilograms, and its speed, measured in meters per second. The more mass of an object is, the more kinetic energy it has when it moves. Both balls are traveling at the same speed, but the ball in lane 1 is 3 kilograms and the ball in lane 2 is 6 kilograms, which means that the second ball has twice the kinetic energy. 2 balls of the same mass, like these, are a different story. They have the same kinetic energy unless they're moving at different speeds. The ball in lane 1 is traveling faster than the ball in lane 2, which means it's got more kinetic energy. When they collide, kinetic energy transfers from one object to another. The ball hit only one pin, but they all fell down. The kinetic energy transferred from the ball to the first pin and then to all the other pins. Besides bowling, humans have come up with all kinds of clever ways to take advantage of energy transfer, even before we knew what energy was. Long ago, we figured out how to turn wind energy into movement, or how to make moving water do the hard work of grinding wheat and other things. More recently, we started transforming kinetic energy into electricity. This dam harnesses the kinetic energy of running water. Moving water spins a wheel called a turbine that's attached to a generator. Generators convert the turbine's movement into electricity. Well, technically speaking, energy doesn't really run out. Energy can never be created or destroyed, but it can be transferred or stored. All of the energy in the universe is here to stay.